Jerry asked me, that was, I think, that was August or September. He asked me, and I readily said, okay. Yeah, magandang gabi ho sa inyong lahat. And schönen guten Abend. Yeah, much had been said about the anniversary of FBAA, Filipino Visual Artists in Austria. That was on November 30, 2019, a group of passionate Filipino artists came together with a magnificent idea. Artists helping artists. And tonight we celebrate not just the anniversary, but a living proof that when Filipinos come together, kahit saan man tayo sa mundo, something beautiful happens. Something great happens. I have had the privilege of covering your events, making reports about your exhibitions, interviewed some members of this organization, and every time I walk into one of your exhibitions, I feel like I'm stepping into a gallery sa Pilipinas at sa Vienna. At the same time, may halong discipline ng Austrian precision and a Filipino color. Parang pinaghalong, pag sinabi natin it's Wiener Schnitzel na isinausaw sa suka at sili. Under the leadership of Jerry de Guzman, who has been tirelessly initiating programs to uplift this organization, it has grown into more than just a group. It became a family. And of course, hindi lang si Jerry ang bida dito, kundi lahat ng mga officers and members of FBAA. Everyone, the officers, active officers and members have been the brush strokes, the colors, and the textures that make a canvas FBAA complete. FBAA's mission, as mentioned by Jerry during the beginning of this program, has been always clear to help Filipino artists improve their talents in painting, drawing, sculpture, photography, and mixed media. But beyond that, it's about sharing Filipino art and culture within Europe, within Austria. And you have done that with heart, with humor, and with a kind of resilience that only Filipinos possess. You remind that art is not just about technique. It is about connection. It is about telling stories of who we are, where we come from, and what we dream of. And every stroke of paint, every click of the camera, on every sculpture molded by hand, you are saying to the world, this is Filipino, this is Filipino art, this is our culture. Now 6 years may sound short, pero kung tutuusin, ang dami na ninyong na-achieve during the past 6 years. And I believe that it is just the beginning. Imagine what FBAA would look like in another 6 years. Maybe may museum na tayo na kung saan i-exhibit yung mga paintings ninyo. O kaya maybe a cafe gallery where people come together and enjoy both looking at your art and chismis over Cafe Barako. So tonight, let's celebrate the past years with pride and toast to the next chapters with excitement. And because if anything I've learned from the exhibitions and from the events I've attended is that when Filipino artists come together, great things happen and beautiful things are created. Continue to inspire, continue to support one another, and continue to show to Europe, to Austria, that Filipino art is alive, that Filipino art is vibrant, and Filipino art is unstoppable. To Jerry, the officers and members of FPAA, congratulations on your 60th anniversary. Keep creating, keep laughing, keep proving that whatever or wherever Filipino go, art will always follow. Congratulations once again, at mabuhay ang Filipino visual artist in Austria.